How to change your age on Google account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any of the Google account section or platform. I'm going to go for Play Store, and then all you need to do is tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on manage your Google account, and after that tap on the personal info section over here. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of birthday. So tap on birthday, and as you tap on birthday, you can see the option of update or update birthday option over here. So just tap on the month, day and year. You can change whichever way it's possible, the way you want to change your age, and then tap on the save section at the bottom right corner of the screen and then confirm your birthday. Now it will start updating your birthday, and there you go, you have updated and changed your age on your Google account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.